Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the ninth question in exercise 9.1. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the building. See, there are two tall buildings here. So let's mark the first building with a standing line and another building has another standing line which is slightly taller than this. I'm marking the ground with a horizontal line like this. Now, what was actually given to us? The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is marked as 30 degrees. So the foot of the tower, let's assume this part is the tower. This is going to be the angle of elevation. So I'm marking this value as 30 degrees. Now, the next statement that was given to us, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. So if this is the building, I'm going to mark this angle as 60 degrees. Now, they're asking you if the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the building. So I'm treating this as the tower, remember. This height is going to be equal to 50 meters. The overall height for this is 50 meters. I'm going to join this particular point like this. So now if this distance is going to be marked as height of the building H, then this part of it is going to be also referred as H. Let's place the vertices for our reference. So this is A, B, C, D, and E. These are the points that are required. Since DE is H, BC is also H, which means AB is going to be 50 minus H. That is going to be our reference point. Now let's solve in triangle ACD. So in triangle ACD, tan 60 degrees is going to be equal to AC divided by CD. And now I'm going to mark the CD as X for our reference point. So tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to EAC is 50 for us. CD is X, which means X is equal to 50 by root 3. Now we got the value of X. I'm going to use this value to find out what is the value of H. Now let's take up the next triangle. So here triangle is going to be ECD. Remember, this is where the tan 30 degree is. So in triangle ECD, tan 30 degrees is going to be ED divided by CD. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to ED is we are marked as head H and CD is the X for us. So X is going to be H root 3. I'm going to substitute this value that we got here, which is 50 by root 3 for X. So 50 by root 3 is equal to H into root 3. So H value is nothing but 50 divided by 3. So here you can either write it in decimal or you can leave it in mixed fraction. So H is going to be 16.2 by 3 meters or it is equal to 16.66 and it goes on. So you can approximately round it out as 16.7 meters. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 10th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.